global warming. Global warming is caused by the amount of carbon dioxide in the world. Or greenhouse gases increase rapidly in the atmosphere and causing an unusual greenhouse effect, including other types of gases that trap heat out to the Earth's atmosphere. These gases will combine to form a thick blanket, trap the heat of the sun and cause the world to heat up. The more these gases increase, the heat will increase accordingly, until it becomes a global warming problem or unusual climate change or global climate variability. This is mainly caused by human action, oil use, release of toxins, chemicals, deforestation, etc. The consequences, such as melting glaciers, cause sea levels to rise. Warm Atlantic currents that slow down, change direction or stop flowing are more at risk of extreme weather, global warming, etc. The global warming in Thailand. Thailand is located in Southeast Asia, have the tropical wet and dry climate. Thailand have 3 seasons or the summer season, March to May, the rainy season, May to October, and the winter season, November to February. Due to climate change, Thailand in the past decades therefore experiencing frequent droughts, which makes the summer longer but the rainy season is shorter, which all of the above is related to global warming. The figure shows the global atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration over 800,000 years and the trend of increasing annual average temperature in Thailand between 1970 and 2009 shows that the country's temperature has increased. Over the past 40 to 50 years, the overall temperature has increased by approximately 1 degree Celsius and is likely to increase by approximately 1 to 2 degrees Celsius in approximately 2050. Temperature extremes. And according to Limsackle's study, it was found that if the global temperature rises by 1.5 degrees Celsius, which is expected to occur around 2040, the overall temperature in Thailand will increase by approximately 1.67 degrees Celsius. In regards to the precipitation situation, it was found that the frequency of heavy rainfall events increased, but the period of continuous rainfall in most parts of Thailand has decreased. As a result, some parts of the country are at increased risk of flash floods. For tropical cyclones moving into Thailand found that the frequency tends to decrease, but if we consider the number of storms that are stronger than depressions that occur every 10 years, it is likely to increase. With such changes, this may result in Thailand experiencing longer periods of drought, interspersed with periodic flash floods. This makes defending and adapting more difficult and complicated. Effect of global warming in Thailand. It may be that mosquitoes are carriers of disease. Longer and more intense droughts than before, acute flooding in some areas such as the capital of Thailand, toxic air. Depressing agricultural results in severe weather conditions. Ecosystem collapse, for example, when seawater temperature changes. Corals may die, for example. We may not be able to stop global warming, but it can help reduce global warming to violence, such as turning off the lights when not in use. Reuse products, plant trees, reduce eating frozen food. Separate waste, use renewable energy, save water.